Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a applied visual design tutorial on freeCodeCamp. We're going to learn about opacity in CSS. So opacity here is how transparent it is, and the values we can set it from is 0 to 1. 0 is being completely transparent and 1 is being all transparent, and we can add anything in between 0 and 1. And for this exercise, we want to set the opacity of the anchor tag to 0.7 using linked class to select them. So we see here's the links class, and we can just add opacity 0.7. And we can see here that it changes it. And we use this as a design standpoint to make your website look more appealing. And that's it. Thank you.